Hi, Kyoko and Micho. I am creating this video for TradingView to set up. Okay, and then I like to make this version for particularly QLD for our purpose, only QLD. All right. And now I like to share my screen. Now, can you see this? Definition first here. Okay, three jargon here. SMA. This is simple moving average. This is average line based on 50-day, 100-day, 200 days. They have some formula to calculate for days. If it is 100 days, they accumulate those price, I believe, each day's end of business day's price. They just add it and then make some formula, use some formula, and then creating the some number. Okay, but purpose is the average. The RSI is relative strength index. This is to know if price is high or low. Quite convenient, handy index, because we know by looking at this if the price is high or low. Okay. And then MACD, moving average, convergent and divergent. This is to know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, now I like to stop sharing right now, and then I like to get another one. This one. Okay, this one. This is a fast screen for TradingView. Oh, by the way, I think you already realized that there is a link for TradingView, right? By clicking that link, you can come to here. Now, unfortunately, this is a little bit. Oh no! Wait a minute. This is all English. That's good. That's good. That's good. Sometimes when I see this one, some of the place is English. This is very good. Okay. Now, so very first of all. Oh, by the way, I should make my picture larger here. Okay, I hope you can see larger picture. If you want to see my face, otherwise that's okay, don't bother. Maybe this one a little bit here, okay. One thing, my computer, this is the computer, the Microsoft. This is pretty good, but only the camera here, skin color is quite reddish, which I don't like. I'm not drunk, okay? Now, what I want, click market search area on the middle of screen, which is this one. By clicking, okay, just by clicking here, you can see this one. Now, this is the place you need to put type QLD, okay? QLD, you see? Now, after typing, immediately all, the search is being done and all QLD is displayed. And then there are several of QLD here. Okay, make sure to pick up American flag here, okay, which is first one, okay. Now just click it. Okay, now good. Okay, this is very original stuffs. Okay, that's very good. And then, by the way, for TradingView, here time to time you'll see some ad. Okay, just keep ignoring. All right, you just press X to hear it again. Okay, you can let it disappear. Okay, now in this case, what? Here. No. This one? No, wait a minute. Oh no, here it is. Sorry. This is one you should click. Okay. Now, after selecting QLD for United States, all right, then this QLD is being displayed here right now, 70. Okay, 70. It's coming up. And then this market stuff, I like to talk about, maybe email or, maybe phone call, whatever, okay? Right now, anyway, not the time to buy. All right, now. You need some indicators like SMA, RSI, MACD, all right? And so, first of all, I want you to confirm that here. This is the interval, all right? I just click here. Right now, here the 1 day, it's okay. I want to utilize 1 day for interval. And then if you go down a little bit, it could be week, it could be month, all right? And then this is actually for the short term trading 1 day, or it could be those, 1 hour, 2 hour, minutes, all right? So we don't use this at all. What we use is either day or month, okay? Now, since I like to click again, so day is displayed here. Yeah, originally it was day because I, set up that way. Okay, now, indicator is this one, okay? You can see indicator, matrix, strategy, or kind of thing, all right? And so click this one. Then now here is you can select the indicators that you want. We use 3 indicators, okay? 3 indicators. One is SMA for simple moving average. Let me type it, SMA. Okay, now, within this SMA, lots of SMA here. So I like to search SMA by, going down, find 50, 100, 200, okay? Or here it is, this is the guy, okay? Just select it. You'll see something here, right? Okay. I don't like this color, so I'm gonna change color later. Now, I like to go next one. Okay, type RSI. And in the case of RSI, you can pick up the very first one, which is this one, okay? Now you'll see something here, right? Okay. Now, last one we want is MACD. MACD is short of moving average, convergent, and divergent. All right. So a MACD also you can pick up very first one. No, I haven't typed it yet. MACD. All right. So very first one, this guy. So you see something here, right? And then you can get out over here. Sorry, my picture a little bit 邪魔ね、これは。I like to make it smaller. Hey, Kenji, you don't need that much large. Okay, now, or maybe I should put here. All right, now, okay. We needed to modify something for SMA first. Then what? Move to here, mouse pointer on SMA. It says 50, 100, 200. It says each of them close, close, close. Okay. This is 50 days average, price average. Price is at a close. Okay. End of the day. Same thing, 100 and 200. And then now in this case, yellow is 50. Okay. And then next one is 100. This guy is 200. All right. Now, I want to change color. Okay. So what we do is, okay. Locate the cursor here, and then you press this guy. This is setting, all right? Okay, now, so this input, you don't have to change 50, 100, 200, okay? And then close, close, close. So let me just, open this. It could be open, high, low, right? And then there are some other selection here. Okay, now, in this case, style. Now, for 50, SMA 50, what I want is that maybe gray, well, I would say, black, gray, this color. Then you see, this is a color, okay? And then, so that's okay. And then now here, next one, what I want, red, not very, very red, a little bit more pinky red, maybe this guy. Okay, so this is the color. Okay, and then now, next one is that 200. 200. What I want is green. Green like this. Okay, and then all done. So this is done. So as you can see, now this line is the original line. And then this guy is the original, the stuff, right? And then now I need to explain a little bit here. This one is, volume for trading, okay? And then so if I put this one here, this guy, I don't know how many, but actually there are some high volume, okay? And then green one is more buying. Red is more selling, okay? In other words, if you see green, for example, this green, Okay, this one is two things, put together, so that's not good. Let me put easier one, maybe here. This green. If the green consecutively like this one, it's just going up because green is buying. Okay, more people buying this stock. Like in this case, index, not one stock, all right? Collection of stocks. Now, these, stuff, we say this is the candle picture, okay? This candles is actually actual price up and down. By the way, I should move a little bit here. By doing this, you can move it up, okay? All right. And then so this line is average. So it just, this is the 50 days average is like this one. And then this is 100 days average. And this is 200 days average. I mean, green stuff, okay? I want you to make this, color same as me, because when we talk later, easier to communicate, all right? Now, next one, RSI. RSI is relative strength index. This is to know if price is high or low. Now, first of all, let me modify this one. Okay, so locate a cursor here. And this is setting. Click this one. And then you should look at this one, style. Okay, here. I want you to enter 40. 40. Okay. And then let me get out. That's it. Okay. So that means, 40 I specified here, which means that if this graph coming below 40, it's actually relatively low. Okay. And then if it is, this is actually 60, this is 70 line. Okay. Line 70. If this is more than 70, it's high price. Okay. So right now, even top price is around here, 91 or 92. Okay, 92. Okay, so 92 you can see here, right? Okay, 92, right? As you can see here, right? And then around here, okay, if looking at this trend, already higher one around here, okay? So as an average, this is actually kind of in the middle, all right? So it is not to buy or not to sell because not high, not low. However, when it becomes lower and then it just below 50 or 40, sorry, then maybe time to buy, all right? And right now here, even though price comes here, that's 56, it is actually time to buy, lower price. But actually it went up right now, even though 60 something right now, maybe today, hey, Kenji, 70 right now, right? Almost. Even 70, it's not too high or anything. It's still between this. Okay. Okay. Now, this one is done. Now, next one. this guy MACD. Locate a cursor, MACD, and then click setting here. And then in this case, input here. This guy 9, okay? Change to 4. Don't ask me why, what is 9, whatever, okay? Kind of 4 is more smaller cycle, okay? And then 9 is more larger, maybe 2 weeks kind of thing, okay? But 4. By the way, I'm not a very expert to see this MACD or RSI, whatever. I just know something as a common sense, all right? So if you want to go deeper, you really have to dig yourself. And then in YouTube, you have a lot of how to use type of, how to use type of trading view, okay? I want you to learn if you need it. And then just okay. Right now it used to be 9, right? And I haven't even okay yet, right? And then look at this here, around here. Because parameter is changed, this graph will be a little bit changed. Put 4, and then I press OK, all right? Look at here, okay? Obviously changed, right? That reddish line comes a little bit up here, okay? I'll show you again. Okay, let me change to 9. Watch here. Okay, it becomes wide, right? And then I'm gonna change it again to 4. Okay, done. Now, all setting is done now for QLD. So remember that QLD interval is D. This is the indicator, all right? And then from here to here is the major, area for the trading, including price. And then this guy is the RSI to know price is high or low. And then this is a one. This is a one called MACD. All right, this is really convenient stuff. Now, you can move this way, all right? And then you can move this one to here. And then I would say this area and that area is more need space. Now, all of them important, okay? This is not less important. It is still important. But actually, give more space this and that so that you can see better. I think you can move this one that way, okay? Yeah, okay, good. All right. Now, I want, I didn't put this one here, okay? But actually, by looking at this one, MACD, two, jargon, golden cross. Golden cross is a time to buy. Okay, the trend is coming up, then hey, you guys buy it. For example, let's use this one. Okay, This is a case that green line, blue line, sorry. Blue line is to buy, okay, to buy. And then always buy and sell concurrently, occurring, right? And then so if the green is stronger, which means that more buy, then green line is higher above than red line, okay? And then red line is that, kind of average line for the, setting, okay? So if red line is crossing, clear crossing, I should say, clear crossing to the below blue line, it is time to buy, because that shows that trend is now buying. Trend is that, price going up. Okay. Another case, this one here. Okay. So look at this. In this case, a very clear, cross. But sometimes this is ambiguous and kind of, going the same time. That's why here no red, no green. There are some, buy and sell trading occurring here, but actually, what should I say? Green minus red is almost zero. So actually going together here. So in this case, don't buy, don't sell. Okay. In this case, if it's clear, right? Really clear. Red becomes below, green. I mean, not green, sorry, blue. Then time to buy. And the same thing as this one. But this is a good example. But actually, when you buy here, bottom, what is the bottom? In this case, not bad. Oh, sorry. In this case, here. Okay, in this case, okay, let me come up, all right? Come up here, this one. This is the price range. This is within 1 day, okay? It is actually moved a lot, 69 to 64. Big move here, all right? And then in this case, already price is, let me take, middle, which is 71, okay? 71, if you look at here, this 71, right? 71, right? Okay, in the middle 71, the already 71 compared to, look at this, 66. Okay, so by looking at this one, you can't buy really bottom price, but actually safer to catch the trend because this is up trend, right? Do you understand? This is a golden cross. Now, when you want to sell, okay, it's coming up, and almost in maximum. Now, I want to catch, downward trend, so which is this one. Okay, this is the example. Now, red line above the blue line, which means people are more selling. The obvious here is all reddish here. Okay. Now, Kyoka and Micho, this is really good, powerful graph for us. However, okay, right now we are here. We are here. Then right now, kind of to buy. All right. But I'm not recommending you to buy now because this period is quite, what should I say? downward if you look at whole thing. Okay, so I can't say you buy now. And then this up and up and up, these are all last week stuff. Okay, and then it may go up a little bit. Actually, today it went up 4.3%. Okay, but I'm not recommending you to buy right now. I'm sorry. In this case, oh, I'm confusing. Oh yeah. I'm not recommending to buy because if you look at whole thing, from here to here, still I would say, whole thing's coming down. Okay. All right. And so I want you to know golden cross, time to buy. And then dead cross. So in this case, dead cross, this, reddish one is over the blue one. Okay. So this timing. All right. That is the most important stuff. And then I want stop. Oh, by the way, if I want to finish this trading B, click this one, and then let me see. Cannot minimize. Oh, okay. Cannot minimize. Oh, gee, sorry. So I need to screen again. Okay, so where it is? Oh, that is already gone. Okay. Okay. Trading view was gone, and so let me come to here. Okay. Now, I like to finish here. No, maybe I should have some other time to do this. But actually, now you understand those, SMA 50, 100, 20, 200, right? And then this is a short-term trading interval day. And then if you want to buy, on 100 day line or below, or 40 or below, and then golden clear cross, and then to sell. Forget about this MA, and just look at this and this. Okay, 70 or above, or dead clear cross. In the long term, you just look at the MACD only. The interval is M, month. To buy golden clear cross, sell dead clear cross. Okay. Then I want you to play with trading view, changing day, interval equal day or month, and then you'll see those chart will be different. Okay, and so long-term trading, watch at MACD for buy and sell trading only. Don't see the other indicator for long-term trade for for the buy and sell. However, actually, I am using this way. Do you see if the trend is below 100 line, then time to buy. Right now, we are using time to buy. If it is below 100 day line, and then by going down compared to yesterday, this percentage by this, that percent by that. Okay. And then so we're buying right now, we are using this one. Okay. Well, more frankly, this one only. Okay. This one plus the comparison to the previous day, how much could it go down? Okay. And then setting is actually not now. Okay. Well, actually, Michiho sold just temporarily, right? Because music, the trend, the market is changed dramatically. So we needed to justify. But Michiho already sold all of them, which is mean that she's kind of initial status. And also I sold 1, 2. So 2/3 of volume which I bought. Okay, and then today I sold all $60 something stuff. But actually I can sell something 70 right now. Okay, which is 1/3 of the whole volume I bought is left now. That's okay to me. Okay, and then point is that from now on we still keep buying. All right, and then let's talk about idea how to buy. I got some idea already. Okay, now I like to close this one. Let's stop share, and then I like to end this. はい、それじゃあね、またね。はい、バイバイ。